Hey, I'm Charlie. It's all about multiple streams of income. You ever lost a job or your business shut down? Money tight? Can't enjoy your life? Can't pay the bills? Can't travel? Can't buy the kids a game or bike? No extra cash in sight? Newsflash! Multiple streams of income will help to solve your problem. We can't live a quality life with one paycheck, one financial resource. You need multiple streams of income. We have to stop just surviving and start thriving. Believe me, I understand. I've been there several times before, but not anymore. Multiple streams of income has made a difference in my life. Also, living is about giving. I'd like to give you a free copy. Yes, I did say free. I'd like to give you a free copy of my blueprint, the greatest method of multiple streams of income.
A million stars in my eyes.
Hey, it's me again. I hope you understood that. I hope you enjoyed that. So it's time to take action. Also, click the link below, learn more.